Craig is a fighter. He's a fighter, and I just had to play my game because I think the first set I was playing my game, and then second set I went to playing his game, and that brought us into a third set tiebreaker. And then I had to basically play my game and strategize coming in to close out the points at critical moments, and that I think that's what allowed me to prevail in that match.
Overall, not the best performance, but you kind of have to give your own credit. You played the better points better, so eventually you won. I mean, there were a couple moments when you could have played, or the shot selection could have been a little bit better, but can't really dwell on it. I lost this one. I'll be back for the next one. But congratulations to Jason for putting up a good fight and coming out in the end.